Have you ever found yourself in that all-too-common situation where you need to split a bill with friends, but nobody has cash and transferring money between different banks is a total pain? You're scrolling through your phone contacts, trying to remember who has which banking app, and the whole thing just gets more complicated than it needs to be. You've heard of Mamo Pay as a solution for seamless transfers, but it leaves you with one big question: does Mamo Pay even have a mobile app? It's a valid question, and one that gets right to the heart of what makes a payment service truly useful in our mobile-first world. A payment platform can be feature-rich, but if it's tied to a desktop or a clunky web interface, it loses a lot of its appeal. The promise of instant, effortless money transfers hinges on being able to do it from the device that's always in your pocket. Well, I have some great news for you. Mamo Pay doesn't just have one mobile app, they have two, and they are designed to cater to two distinct types of users. This is where Mamo's strategy becomes really smart. They've separated the personal and business sides of their platform into dedicated apps, so you get exactly the tools you need without any of the clutter you don't. First, let's talk about the personal side of things. Mamo has an app called Mamo Personal. This is the app for everyday individuals just like you, designed specifically for peer-to-peer payments. Think of it as the go-to app for those bill-splitting moments or for sending money to friends and family. It's built for simplicity and speed. With Mamo Personal, you can link your bank account or card, top up your wallet, and send money using just a phone number or email address. The recipient gets a notification and can access the funds instantly, even if they don't have a Mamo account yet. They simply get a link to register and the money is waiting for them in their new wallet. It completely removes the friction of asking for bank details and waiting for transfers to clear. It's all about making those everyday financial interactions as easy as a text message. Now, for all the entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners out there, Mamo has a powerful, separate app called Mamo Business. This is where Mamo really stands out. The Mamo Business app turns your phone into a complete payment dashboard, empowering you to manage your business on the go. You are no longer limited to a web-based portal. From the app, you can generate payment links to share with customers via email, social media, or WhatsApp. You can create QR codes for in-store payments, track ongoing and completed transactions in real time, and even issue refunds. The app gives you a clear overview of your financial health, helping you track payments and settlements with ease. This dual-app approach shows that Mamo understands the different needs of its users. A person paying a friend for coffee doesn't need a complex dashboard, and a business owner doesn't want to sift through personal payments to find their revenue data. By creating separate, purpose-built applications, Mamo delivers a cleaner, more efficient, and more user-friendly experience for everyone. So, to answer that initial question, yes, Mamo Pay has mobile apps. In fact, it has two highly effective ones. And their availability on both the App Store for iOS and Google Play for Android means that nearly everyone can access their services, whether they're a casual user or a busy business owner. This is a game changer, bringing convenience and powerful financial tools to the palm of your hand. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.